Hi, hope this helps you finding how to get to growing with Canvas in the modules. So first you're going to click sign in to My Pasco. Once you sign in there, you are going to click My Learning right here, My Learning. Click that. Then there'll be some announcements up here you should see. Just you can read those and they'll give you some information. But ultimately, where you're trying to get to is the growing with Canvas, and that should be right here. It'll look like this. You might have more of these up, you might have less of these up, but the little other ones to click on. But ultimately, you need to find the one with the tree and growing with Canvas. And you're going to click on that. If it is not there, click on it if it's there. But if it is not there, this is what you need to do. You need to come over to Courses, and you're going to go to the bottom of that, and you're going to click on All Courses. Now, these are going to be in alphabetical order, and you're looking for SRES, Growing with Canvas. So it is right here. Yours won't be started if it wasn't there. So Growing with Canvas. But ultimately, yours should be right here. When they sent them to us, they put them on our dashboards. And that's what this is called, your dashboard. So look for it on your dashboard. It should say Growing with Canvas right here. Now, you are going to want to play this video. So play the video.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining us for this.
That's what it'll look like. So once the video is done, then you will click the modules right up here. It says modules, click there. Now, you are going to click 0.1. It's the only one you're probably going to be able to click on. It'll probably be the only one that's dark. All your other ones, these ones, will probably be light because you haven't completed one first. So you have to go through, complete number one. And it's very simple. Once you get in here, it is simple because all you have to do is you're going to read, and then you're going to click next. And that's it. Every time, just keep clicking next and doing what it says. Read, watch the videos, click the little play to watch the video, and click next. Keep going down. All this information, it's explaining to you what you're going to do through it. And you're going to keep clicking next. Go down and keep clicking next. Now, see it's 0.5. You're going to get all the way done. You're just going to keep clicking next. And it'll get to module. At the end, each little module, you have to take little, well, not at this one, at the zeros, but at one, you have to do something. You have to do two things. It'll tell you what you have to do. At 2, you have to do a couple little things in there as well. You're going to go all the way until you see this. Let me show you what you see. And this, you can't go any further. It'll say, keep calm and grow every day. And then you'll know you're done. And there is no more next button at the bottom. See? No more next. So I hope this helps.